Good morning. Let's continue our lesson, rational number and the coordinate plane. Now, as I told you yesterday, we have two number line. One is vertical and one is horizontal. They are intersecting at a point which is origin. And they are, both of them, they are perpendicular and they are intersecting at the one point which is the origin 0. And then we say that we have 4 quadrants. We have quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and the quadrant 4. And they are ordered in a counterclockwise. What do I mean by counterclockwise? You know that the clock is 0, I can say 12, or 1, 3, 6, 9, 12. So this is how the clockwise. How the counterclockwise if you go in a opposite way. So here, when you go like 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, you go with counterclockwise. So it comes like letter C. Then we say that we have how to order the numbers, or how to plot the ordered pair. Now, what do we have to do? First of all, as we said yesterday, we have to move from like -2, -5. You have to move now from 2 to the left or to the right. Now, since 2 is negative, so I have to go to the left. Then, since 5 is negative, I have to go down. So the formula or the rule is, if x is positive, I have to go to the right. If x is negative, I have to go to the left. If y is positive, I have to go up. And if y is negative, I have to go down. This is what did we say yesterday. And then we said that, or I forgot to tell you something, that its name is ordered here. Why I call them ordered? Because they must be in order. They must be in order. X, then Y. Don't write Y, then X. They must be X, then Y. Now, we solved these questions here. I think 1, 2, 3, and 4. Is it right?
Yeah, we finished.
Yes, Miss.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's now go to this question here. Graph and label the points on the coordinate plane. Now, let's start with, just a minute, I'll tell you one by one. Sana.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Sana. Number 5.
Yeah.
Its coordinate is -2.5 and 2.
Two. Wait.
Yalla, where is, first of all, yalla, where is -2.5?
It's here beside the -1.
First of all, yeah, x is negative. So where do you have to go? To the left or to the right? Yes, Sana. To the left or to the right?
Left.
To the left. Bravo. So -1, -2. I want what?
-2.5.
So it will be here.
Yes.
And the y
And
is 2.
then
So where do you have to go, up or down?
what, teacher?
The y here is 2. So you have to go up or down?
Up.
Up. Bravo. So this one, so here, -2.5, we call it x coordinate, and 2, we call it the y coordinate. So now this is the point P. Now, Sana, can you tell me now? Here you didn't ask you to write in which quadrant, but I want you to write it. Okay, so number 5, yes, Sana. In which quadrant they are? Number 5.
Teacher, I didn't understand your question.
In which quadrant? Are you in quadrant 1, 2, or 3, or 4?
In wait.
In which quadrant?
I
Salah?
remember when you showed us, but I can't remember like where is 1 and where is 2 and where is 3 and where is 4.
It's in quadrant 2. Here is 1. Here is quadrant 1. And here is quadrant 2. Here is quadrant 3. And here is quadrant 4.
Yes, okay, thanks.
Now, thank you, Sana. Now, number 6 with Salma. Salma Khalid. Rudaina.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Rudaina. Number 6. Q.
No.
Negative 2.
Negative
And
2
1
and
over
1
4.
over 4.
Yeah. Well, where is negative 2? We have to go to the left or to the right?
To the right.
Negative 2.
Yeah, it's here. It's
To
in
the
the
left. This is the left.
The
أيوة برافو here.
positive is in
So
the
you
right.
have to go here. Then 1 over 4.
1 over 4.
You have to go up or down?
It's down.
1 over 4. Why? It's positive.
Yeah. Up.
So here you have 1. Here you have 0.5. Or you can say half. And you can say 0.5. Now where is 1 over 4?
Between 1/2 and 0.4. And
Between what?
and from negative 2 and negative 1. Between negative 1 and negative
No,
2.
wait. 1 over 4, you are on the y now. So you are between 0 and half or between half and 1?
We are between 1/2 and 1.
No, it's between 0 and half. It's here. So you go up with 1 over 4. So here it will be. So here is point Q. Now, Ya Rudaina, in which quadrant is number Q? In which quadrant? Quadrant what?
Negative 2.
Which quadrant? 1, 2, 3, or 4?
Can you repeat again?
Which quadrant? 1, 2, 3, or 4?
2.
2. Bravo. Number 7. Thank you, Rudaina. Number 7 now. Rimas.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Rimas. Here, 0, 1.5.
So
What
zero
do I
we're
need?
gonna keep it
0. أيوة.
0 we're gonna keep it on the number line, and then we're gonna go into like in between 2 and 1. So it
Bravo.
can be 1.5, and that's the answer.
So here is point R. Thank you. So she said that since it's an x, 0 is x, so I will stay here, then I will go up with 1.5. Now see, Rimas and all of you. See, if it is on this area, I will say quadrant 1. If it is on this area, I will say quadrant 2. Here, I will say quadrant 3. And here, I will say quadrant 4. What about if they are on the lines? Where is position? I will not say quadrant 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. I will say x-axis or y-axis. So Yarimas, point R, is it on the y-axis or on the x-axis?
It's on the y-axis.
On the y-axis, thank you. So R, it will be on the y-axis. Okay. Now, number 8. Thank you, Rimas. Now, Rinat.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Rinat. Number 8. -1, -1/2.
It will. We're gonna go to the -1.
Yeah.
We're gonna put it in the first one.
So first you go to the left, then
Yep.
where do you have to go?
In the first.
Do you have to go up or down if it is
Down.
negative? Down, bravo. And if here is -1 on the number line, what do we have? Negative what?
Half.
-1/2, bravo. So after I am in -1, I will go down to reach -1/2. So here is, we have point what?
S.
S, bravo. Now, can you tell me now, number 8, in which quadrant? Number S?
Quadrant 3.
Bravo, it's in quadrant. Thank you. Number 9 now. Thank you, ya Rinat. Number 9, Rima. Rima. مريم عبد الستار. مريم مصطفى.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Mariam. T, 1 and 1/2 and -2.
One. It will be on the x-axis between 1 and 2.
Bravo. Then?
And on the y-axis, it will be at -2.
-2. So it's a -2. It's between this one and this one. So here is it. No.
Yeah, it's right.
Yeah. Now, in which quadrant here, Mariam?
It's in quadrant 4.
Quadrant 4. Thank you. So number 9, it's in quadrant 4. Now, number 10. Where's this? Oh, no, it has to be. Laura.
Teacher, I cannot find. You mean this, teacher? This one with the red? Oh, yeah.
Now, Laura. Jumana.
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Yes, Jumana. Number 10. 0.75, 1.25.
0.75. We will go.
First 0.75.
Yeah, we will go to the right.
Okay. If here is 0.5, where is 0.75?
In the middle between 0.5 and 0.9.
Now it will be here. Thank you. Then
we will go up.
It's 1 and something, so you have to go after 1. Now, if here is 1.5, where is 1.25?
Under it.
Bravo, it's between 1 and 1.5, so it's here.
Yeah.
So here is, what's his name? You. No.
Yeah.
So, sorry, Jumana. In which quadrant it is? For number 10.
It's in quadrant I.
1 you mean. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Number 11 now. Jury.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Jury. Now number letter V, number 11.
Okay, letter V, number 11. Yes, we have negative.
Negative 0.5.
Yes. We will go to the negative. Wait, there's here. We will be negative, like between -1 and 0.
Yeah, bravo. So it is on this number, blue line. It's between -1 and 0. Then
Yes. Then we will search for 0. I mean, like 0 is beside it, so how?
so here, after you go to the left, then they
Yeah.
told you it is 0. And don't move up or don't move down. Stay in your place. So where the point will be?
Here. Just
Here.
stay
Bravo.
here.
Now, in which quadrant or axis is point V?
Point V is in 3.
It's on the line or it's in the areas between?
Quadrant V.
Wait,
is
Julie,
here.
wait. I told you now, if it is on the areas, you will say quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4. But
No.
if it is on the line, what do you have to say?
It is x-axis.
Bravo.
X-axis.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Number 12. Jana Matar.
Yes, miss, can you hear me?
Jana. Yes, Jana. Number 12. 2, 0.
Miss, here's
What
the
do I
other.
mean by 2, 0? Where is 2?
The 2 is
To the right or to the left?
to the right.
To the right. Bravo. So here is 2. Now then 0. What does it mean?
0 is the.
What does it mean? That's where you have to go. Up or down or stay in your place?
It has to go to the middle.
If the y is 0, you have to go up or down or stay in your place?
You just have to stay in your place.
Just stay in your place. Bravo. So here is point W. Now, in which quadrant is point W, Jana? Or on which axis?
In X.
In x-axis. Thank you. Thank you. Now, Jana Muhammad.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Jana. Number 13. X is 0, -2.
At first 0, -2, it will be you have to go down.
Yeah, bravo. On which point?
On the 2 point.
In the -2. Thank you. So here is point X. Now, in which quadrant or axis?
Yes, it's in the y-axis.
It is in the y-axis. Thank you so much. Now, do you have any question?
No, but teacher, for the girls that want to write, you deleted S. So just like show them where is S so they will write it.
One. -1, -½ Ah, it's here.
Yeah, it's here.
No, wait. Wait. No, it's not here.
Under -1 exactly.
Here. This is S. Yes. Did you finish now?
Yes.
Yeah, miss.
Yes, teacher, I think.
Well, now look this one here. Number 14, what do we have? We have a points that they are a product, but I want you now to write the ordered pair for each point. Habiba.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Let's start at point A. What is the ordered pair for point A? What do you have to do, Habiba? See, make a line to here and to here. Where they are intersecting A, what is the ordered pair?
4 and 4.
4 and 4, bravo. Number 15. Who's after Habiba now? Fatima?
Yes, miss.
Yes, Fatima. B.
B.
مع السلامة. إلى اللقاء.
4.
كنت مخلص.
Yes, Fatima.
Yes, miss.
Yeah.
It's teacher, can you say again? What should I do?
Here, what you have to do, you have to make a line from B, intersecting the x-axis and then intersecting the y-axis. Now, which point it's intersecting the x-axis?
It's 3 and 4.
No, -4.
Negative 4 and
then
3.
-4 and 3. Thank you. Now, thank you, Fatima. Now, Dima. Dima. Okay, then back. Sana.
Yes, miss.
Yes, Sana. Letter C.
For C,
Yes.
negative 3 and 1.
-2 or 3?
Negative 3.
-3 and 1. Bravo.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sana. Now, Salma.
You're welcome.
Salma, did you come back? Okay. Rudaina.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Rudaina. D.
It's a -3.
Now, wait, where's the x-axis first? Of the x-coordinate. What is the x-coordinate?
Sorry, teacher, I didn't hear.
Yeah?
Can you repeat again?
كده عملت إيه يعني؟
The x-coordinate.
The X are it's there in 5. After 5.
No, miss. I will not say the quadrant. No. X-coordinate, it's mean for where this point cut the x-axis, at which point?
-2 and
Negative. أيوة, -2 and -3. So the x-coordinate is -2. The y-coordinate is -3.
Teacher, I solved it now and everything is right until now.
Now then,
I solved it yesterday.
Rimas.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Rimas. E.
E is
Yes.
5 and -3.
5 and -3. Thank you. Then, Rinat. Rinat. She's not here. Okay. Rima. مريم عبد الستار. مريم مصطفى.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Mariam. Letter F. Where is letter F?
Letter F.
Yeah.
It's between 2 and 3.
So what is the name of the x-coordinate?
It is 2.5 and 0.
Thank you so much. 2.50 because it is on the x-axis, so y is 0. Thank you. Thank you, Mariam. Now, Laura. Jumana?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Jumana. Letter G.
-4.
-4. Bravo.
-5.
-5. Thank you.
You're
Number
welcome.
21 with Julie. Atcha Julie.
Me, okay, but teacher, I answered.
Yeah. This is the second turn. Yeah.
Okay, H was the only one I didn't answer. Okay, I'm gonna try. So H, it is 3.5, right?
Okay, this is 3.5 is the y-axis. What about the x-axis?
Yeah, the x-axis. There's no x-axis.
So
No,
what
it
is?
is. No, there's no.
So what do you mean by no?
So it is y-axis.
It's on the y-axis. If it is on the y-axis, so x is. Mariam said
Zero.
Bravo. And see, if it is on the x-axis, y is 0. If it is on the y-axis, x is 0. Thank you, Jana.
Thank you.
Now, لا مش جنى جوري sorry. Now جنى محمد أو جنى مطر sorry.
Yes.
Yes جنى. Letter J. Letter
محمد
G.
مطر.
لا هلا جنى مطر.
Okay.
يلا G, where is it? Yes يا جنى. جنى. Okay, جنى محمد جنى مطر جنى محمد علي.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. J, where is it?
Miss, hear me? Miss,
Yeah, like
أيوة.
it's like between the two ones, but I don't know how to say that. And
What do you
maybe
mean?
Miss,
0
can you
to
hear
5.
me?
Between 0 and 1 you mean? So
Miss, can you hear me? Anyone hear me?
Yes, Jenna, we can
Yes,
hear
we
you.
can.
Oh, because my mic is broken, it just like sometimes like stops.
Yes, between 0 and 1. So which point will be?
I don't know actually how to say the points.
0.5. It's between 0 and 1, so it will be 0.5. And what about the y coordinate?
Miss, how is it?
Also 0.5.
Also point.
Miss, how is 0.5?
This is between 0 and 1, so it's approximately in the middle. So you will say 0.5.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Now, here we have the same thing as we did before. We have 10 minutes left, so let's solve as much as we can with Habiba now. Oh, let's come back to Jana Matar. Jana Matar, since the microphone is open now. Letter M, -4, 0. Where is it?
-4 and 0.
Do you have to go to the left or to the right?
To the right.
Negative.
Yeah, to the right. You go like up to the right.
No, if it is negative, you have to go to the left.
Oh no, I was asking how to get 4 to 0.
So where is it?
It's in the left.
And that, yeah, it's here. Then 0. What do I mean by 0?
The middle.
0, it means don't go up, either down. Stay in your place. So here is letter M.
Okay.
Okay. Now, don't forget, girls, if it is on the x-axis, I will rewrite the notes here. If the point on the x-axis, so the coordinate will be, or we can say, so the y coordinate will be 0. And if the point is on the y-axis, so the x coordinate will be 0. Now, Q, يا حبيبة.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, حبيبة. Q, يلا, where is it?
0 and 2.5. Negative
0
1.
and 2.5. Yeah. So if it is 0, what does it mean? You are if x is 0. So you are in which axis? If x coordinate is 0, so you are on the y-axis. So you are now, your point is on the y-axis. So you are in 0, don't go to the right or to the left. The negative 2.5, where do you have to go?
Negative 2.5. Between negative 2 and negative 3.
Bravo, it's here. So this is letter Q. Thank you so much, Habiba. Now, Fatima.
Yes, miss.
Yes, Fatima. Now, number 27.
Number 27. Okay. R. It's between. Wait. It's in X.
Okay, between which 2 points in the x-axis?
It's between -1 and 0.
No, if it's half, it's positive. So you have to go to the right.
It's between 0 and 1.
Bravo, it's between 0 and 1. Then you have to go to the point 5 up. So where is it?
To the point 5 up, it's between the 1 and the 0.
Bravo. So it will be at this point here. This is R. Thank you, Fatima. Now, Dima. I think she's absent. Okay. Now, Sana. Sana, number 28.
Yes, teacher. 28. Okay. S negative 5 and 1 over 2.
So
it's in first thing we'll go to the left and it's in the x-axis.
yeah, bravo.
It's above 5. I mean negative 5.
Yes, bravo. So it's here.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Sana.
You're welcome.
Now, Salma. I think she's absent. Urdaina.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Urdaina. 0, 0. Where is it?
0 is in 0.
Yeah, what does it mean? In which point? Is it here?
It's in
Here?
the middle.
Or here?
It's beside negative 1 and negative
Here?
1. It's in, the 0 is between negative 1, beside it negative 1 and under it negative 1.
So 0, 0 is this point, which is we call it the origin. So this point, we call it T, or the origin, which is 0, 0. Thank you, Rudaina. Now, number 30, with Rimas.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Rimas. 3.5, 0.
We're gonna put 3 in the middle.
I
In the middle, 3 and 4.
and then
we won't move it anywhere because they put 0.
bravo. So this is the
It's gonna
point
be-
we call it.
It's going to be point U, and it's going to be on the x-axis.
Yes, thank you. Now, that's the last thing. Okay. Now, number 31, V, which now, Rinat. Rima.
Yes, teacher, I'm Rinat.
Yes, Rinat. V, -2, -4.
B, it will be -4,
First, what is the value of x?
2.
-2. So you have to go to the right or to the left?
To the left.
To the left, bravo. So you are here now. Then where do you have to move your point? -4, up or down?
Down.
Down. Where are you now? You have to go how many units are down?
4.
4, bravo. So here is the point, which is point V. Yes, that's it. Do you have any question?
No,
No.
miss.
No, teacher, thank you.
No, teacher.